Assalamualaikum students. We are solving question number 5 of exercise 5.2. We have already done first 4 questions. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Before solving question number 5, we discussed what is difference between first 4 questions and question number 5. You can see in first 4 questions, the degree of the polynomial is 2 or 4. Degree of polynomial is 2 or 4. So such type of question whose degree is 2 or 4 we solve by two formulas, that are a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. If we place minus sign here, then it becomes minus 2ab. Second formula is a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. These two formulas are used in first 4 questions whose degree is 2 or 4. Question arises, what is degree? The highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called degree. For example, here the highest the variable involves is x and its highest power is 3, so its degree is 3. But in first 4 questions you can see the degree of polynomials is always 2 or 4. So we use these two formulas to solve them. But here in this question number 5 you can see that the degree is 3. So we solve it by another formula, that is a plus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. If we place minus sign with b, then its formula become a minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. If we place minus sign with b, we place everywhere minus sign. In textbook, the formula used is a cube plus b cube plus, we multiply 3ab into a plus b. When we multiply 3ab with a, as a is multiplying 2 times, we write here 3a square b. Now we multiply 3ab with b, as b is multiplying 2 times, we write 3ab square. Similarly here, a cube minus b cube minus, if we multiply 3ab with a minus b, we get minus plus minus 3a square b minus minus plus 3ab square. This formula is a little difficult, so we use this formula plus 3ab and a plus b to solve these questions. Now I come to the question. First of all, if we revise previous question, if we have to given right hand side and we become that question as a complete square. If right hand side is not given, then we add and subtract plus 2ab by self, and we made this situation and we solve it by completing square. Here the right side of this formula is given and we have to solve to complete it as a cube. So first of all, in this question we make it as a right hand side. After this we complete the cube. Here x cube, you can see 48x is not a cube of any number, but 64 is a cube of 4. If we multiply 4, if we multiply 4 3 times, we get 64. It means 64 is cube of 4. So in this formula b cube is written at second place, so we write minus 64 at second place, then we write 48x minus 12x square. Now Now we are solving part number 3 of question number 5. Part number 2 is same as part number 1. Now in this question, first of all we place s cube. Now we place b term. B term should be the cube of any number. 18x square is not a cube of any number. 108 is also not a cube of any number, but you can see 216 is the cube of 6. How you can find the number whose cube is 216? You just take 2 cube root of 216, then the answer is 6. You can calculate this by a calculator. Now we place 216 as second place. Next minus 18x square. Now plus 108x. Now you can see the negative sign is with b, so we use the second formula, that is a cube minus b cube. So we found this question like right hand side of second formula. Here you can write s cube minus 216 can be written as 6 cube. Next you see here is minus 3ab, so we write it as a right hand side of second formula, that is equal to minus 3, a is x, b is 6 into a is x, b is 6. Now we have to write a minus b. A is x and b is 6. Now if you multiply this, 3x multiplied by 6, you can get 18x, and when 18x is multiplied by x, we get 18x square. So we do not change anything. If we multiply them, we get upper side 6 3 the 18x, and when 18x is multiplied by x, we get 18x square, and minus minus plus 3 6 the 18x multiplied by 6, we get plus 108x. Now as a complete cube, we can write this x minus 6 cube, and the question is solved. In the next video we are solving question number 6, part number 1. Now we are solving question number 6. The formula used in question number 6 is totally different from the formula we used in question number 5. But some students mix these two formulas, which is wrong. In question number 5 we use the formula that is a plus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. But in question number 6 the formula we used is a cube plus b cube, that is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. If the minus sign at the place of b, a cube minus b cube, then that is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. If we place plus sign, then we place plus sign between a plus b, but here the sign is negative. If we place minus sign with b cube, then we get a minus b into a square. If here the sign is minus, here sign is minus, but at the place of a plus b the sign will be positive. You can see here we take the cube of as a whole, a plus b whole cube, but here we take cube separately, a cube plus b cube. That formula is this. Now in this question we use the formula a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. This formula is not used in question number 6. Here you can write 27 as a cube of 3 plus 8x cube can be written as 2x whole cube. Now 3 is a and 2x is used as a b. Now we use this formula to solve this. First of all, a plus b, so we write here 3 plus 2x Next a square, so we write 3 square. Here is plus, so we write here minus sign. Now a is 3, b is 2x. Now plus sign, we place plus sign. B square, that is 2x whole square. By solving further, we get 3 plus 2x into 3 square is equal to 9 minus 3 to the 6x plus 2x square, that is equal to 4x square, and the question is solved. In second part, given that 125x cube minus 216y cube, 125x cube minus 216y cube, it can be written as 125 can be written as cube of 5, and we write it like 5x cube minus 216 is cube of 6y cube. As now 5x behaves like a and 6y behaves like b as minus sign, so we use second formula. In second formula, a minus b, 5x minus 6y into 5x square, 5x square. Now if the sign with b is minus, then we use plus sign at this place, that is 5x into multiply हो रहे हैं, plus 6y plus 6y whole square. In the last, we get 5x minus 6y into 5x square, that is equal to 25x square. If we multiply 5x and 6y, we get 30xy, and here we get 36y square. And exercise 5.2 complete. In next video, we solve exercise 5.3.